Hi, MX1 Agents. I just wanted to show you the AgentWise homepage so you can get logged in if you've not already logged in yet. So you're just going to go to agentwisedesign.com. That's your dashboard. When you get here at the top, you're going to click on Member Login. Once you have done that, you're going to put in your email address that's associated with us. So be your personal email address that you used on your DocuSign package. And then your password. She has said it's password with an uppercase P, 123 exclamation point. I've highlighted it right here. Again, it's password with an uppercase P, 123 exclamation point. Okay, so once you've got logged in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And she had done a launch video for us, and unfortunately that recording was only available for like a week, and she had let us know that up front. So if you did not watch it, then you probably do not have access to it anymore. However, there is training and support on here that she can help you with, but your main items that you're going to go to when you're on your dashboard is this feminine collection and this masculine collection, and also this one called content and captions. So once you click on that, you are going to let it load for a minute here. And right now we're in September, so click on the September templates. And contents and captions is basically a graphic that you can post on your social media after you've personalized it and branded it. And you can also use the captions that she has as what you put on your post as well. So there's literally no thinking done to it. So like for Labor Day, which is already passed, here is what you have. And then the next page is what you would put in your post. But remember, you got to personalize this stuff, okay? Reach out if you have any questions. But it's pretty much self-explanatory. There's so much stuff in here, guys. There's no excuse why you can't be marketing yourself, because there literally is over 5,000 templates. So again, your main things you want to go to is the feminine collection or that contents and captions. Go ahead and get in here and play in here, see what they have. But one of the things here is like guides. So when you click on guides, has your buyer's guides, your seller guides, local guides, staging guides. It has all this stuff in here. Tips for home buyers. So when you click on that, first time home buyers, it has all this information in here, and all you have to do is click view template, and it's going to connect to your Canva. So I'm just going to show you this really, really quick because I don't want this video to be too long. And open an editor. We pay for our Canva by the year. It's definitely worth it. It's not even a lot of money. I think it comes out to maybe $12 a month when you pay up front by the year for the pro version. So you can change any of this out for your brand colors or for fonts that you would rather have, and if you don't like these fonts. And then all you would do is, once you've changed all this stuff out, you would come over here to the share button. You would click download. If you're sharing it on social media, you want your file type to be PNG, of course, so click on PNG and make sure you select the pages you want. You don't want to download all of these. I just want to download the current page that I have made changes to, and then all you would do is click done. It downloads to your computer, then you upload that onto your social media account. Okay, it's very, very easy to do and to manipulate. Again, here's so much stuff that you could be sharing with those first-time home buyers. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.